Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset to recovery menu on HUAWEI Nova 11 SE. So you have to start with holding down power button to power off your device. And now choose power off option. And now when your device is completely power off, you have to press down power button and volume up button at the same time. Now you can let go of power button. And now here you can choose your restart option, clear data option, update mode on save mode by using volume buttons. And then you have to confirm your choice by using power button. So now you have to navigate to clear data option and then press power button and then click factory reset option and press power button again. Now go to factory reset and press power button again. You have to type in yes and then press power button. Now you have to wait. And now your phone is back to its factory settings, so you can choose back and then click restart to go back to your Android system. And now, as you can see, my phone is back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.